drink something, there are many things which just test our body and they won't be like absorbed. Then they grow. So, Stefanie, how old is this calf?
20 weeks.
20 weeks, yeah, 5 months. For that.
Yeah, if you don't milk the cow.
Yes. Give birth to a child and it will not drink. They also will have drink. So it's the same.
Is it true that when a cow gets older, it loses the meat quality? For example, yes. For example, it's not as nutritious as young cow meat. When it basically stops producing milk, I think it's the time when it's too old, and then the meat will be more solid, not as soft. Yeah.
It's true, yes. Produce manure and then they will put it out on the fields again and then they will use it again and yeah, so it's a cycle. That's silage, which means the grass is cut and you put it into this ball.
She's the mother from the calf outside.
Where is it?
One robot is around 200,000 euros, which is really expensive. And you visit 100 different farms, you will have 100 different fat percentages.
The butter is super good, tastes super fresh, authentic. The bread is also super good. 10 out of 10.